The only thing you need is the phone that you're probably holding on to right now. Serious. Why? Because the phone that's in your hand probably costs roughly anywhere between $800 and $1,500, right? Seems like the going rate these days is between $800 and $1,500 for a decent phone. And in which case, those decent phones have decent cameras. And in many cases, those decent cameras are just as good as this $1,000 DSLR camera. So you're getting two devices, and really it's a computer in your hand that does pictures way better than this camera. In which case, you can do videos. Set it on a tripod, sit there, record your video.